Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Julfikar. I will to report on the job training program Business Administration of 2021 Project Work School Year. SMK Pembangunan Bogor, Pajajaran Street, number 63, Bogor. First of all, preface. All of praise and the thanks to God, because by His mercy writer can finish the report on time. The report is made as the requirement to complete the job training program, and the writer also say thank you all sides who support and help the writer to finish the report. They are honorable. First, Miss Erni Rahmawati, MPD, as the Principal SMK Pembangunan Bogor, will give opportunity to do on the job training. Second, Mr. Wira Indrayana as Vice Principal for Curriculum. Third, Miss Siti Rahmawati SSE as the Head of Business Administration and also homeroom teacher. Fourth, Miss Tini Agustini SS as English teacher, consultant, and examiner who give course in arranging to report. In writing this report, writer is conscious that there are still many mistakes, so I accept suggestion and constructive eroticism from our readers. Finally, I hope that this report can be useful for all. Chapter 1, Introduction. A. Background. Based on the structure of the vocational curriculum program that every student has to complete their study in implementing the job training program. It builds mental skill of students of after graduation they ready to go into working world. It also applies to knowledge from school at the job training program. B. Purpose. First, building a skill, expertise, and personality. Second, finding out how the atmosphere of the world of work directly. Third, as experience of training for students. Fourth, applying knowledge on how to work in the industry. Fifth, strengthening the link and match between school and industries. And next, chapter 2, production and process. Time and place. Time and place. The implementation of job training has been held 9th August until 7th October 2021. It's been held at SMK Pembangunan, Pajajaran Street, number 63, Bogor. B. Material and equipment. The material and equipment to job training in SMK Pembangunan are: first, document or ladder; second, Snell Hector; third, stationery; fourth, telephone; fifth, novel; sixth, perforator; seventh, stapler; eighth, filing cabinet; ninth, computer and printer. C. Activities or schema of work. First, review novel. My group and I deciphered 2 novels given by the school. Then we divide the task. Some were reading novel and other typing the result of novel reviews. The novel is read novel to Most Wanted and Surga Yang Terlupakan. Next, second, create document and PowerPoint. After reading and typing the novel, I made a summary of document from Microsoft Word into PowerPoint as interesting as possible. Third, presentation. My group uses the Zoom application as a presentation and is supervised and guided by our supervisor so that it runs smoothly. Fourth, telephone communication. The next activity in the practical work program is the practice of telephone communication. There are two roles in the telephone communication, namely as a telephone receiver and a client. I and the client call each other. The client conveys the message I read, what is conveyed, then the result of the telephone communication are input to YouTube. 5th, record inventory. The next activity is to record inventory of the item and provided to item in that room. 6th, drafting letter and completing leadership activities. Make a letter of order for good that have been drafted before. After that, arrange the activities of the leadership. Chapter 3, Finding. A. Strength factor. The strength factor on job training are: first, motivation and support from all people. Second, good cooperation between the staff in SMK Pembangunan and the student who having the job training. Third, the guidance from the teacher in doing job training. B. Weakness factor. The first, lack of flying hour, do not feel work experience somewhere. Second, the job training program is carried out offline and online, so it is less effective. Third, some of work cannot be able to finish on time. C. Benefit. The first, student is able to apply to dual program based the curriculum. Second, the student can apply the theory of office administration in business world directly. Third, the student can try to work in a team. Fourth, the student will get certificate from SMK Pembangunan after finishing the job training. 5. It can train to student mentally. 6. Get a new experience of the new world of work. 7th, recognize the various kinds of human nature and character as well as and how to deal. Chapter 4, Closing. Conclusion. The conclusion that the writer can take from this report are: B. Job training is one of the professional expertise of education. It combines educational program in school and of skill through working directly with world of work. C. It will a skill expertise and personally, so we are ready to go to working world. D. The student could get a lot of new experience from the business world besides the knowledge from school. By following on the job training, the student could increase the discipline in everything. F. This final text report could train to responsibilities of student. G. Be able to increase to knowledge. Well, I think that's all. We do apologize if made some mistake in delivering our presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum, Ayah Ahmad Zulfikar. I will read the analytical exposition text entitled The Importance of Reading. I personally think the reading is an important activity in our life. Why do I say so? Firstly, by reading we can get a lot of information about many things in the world, such as science, technology, sport, art, and culture. Secondly, by reading we can get a lot of news and knowledge about something happening in any part of the world which we can see directly. Thirdly, reading can give us pleasure when we are tired. We can read books, newspaper, or magazine on the entertainment column such as short stories, comedy, or quiz to make us relax. Fourthly, reading can also take us to other parts of the world. By reading a book about Irian Jaya, we may feel that we're really sitting in the jungles, not at home in our rooms. Based on the fact above, it is obvious that everyone needs to read books, newspaper, magazine, or other to get knowledge, news, information, and also entertainment. In other words, we can say reading is truly important in our life. I think it's enough And thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.